Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back once again, and this is our second video here, and we are going to talk about the course requirement, and also we'll talk about the course objectives. As we did in the last video, we've not started a real video, but before we do anything concerning the video, we need to let people understand. I need to let people understand what you need, the requirements, and also what this course really entails. So let me start with the requirements before I move on to the next slide. For the requirements, I think you need to have a desktop or a laptop, at least maybe 1.4 gigahertz, a single 64-bit processor, or 1.3 gigahertz or dual core processor or above. Anything will do. A 4 gig RAM or greater, that one is okay. So you need to get a super VJ. Your graphics need to be of a higher graphics. That one is also cool. You need to get a mouse, a keyboard, or a pointer. You need to get all these things. You need to be familiar with the networking aspect of everything. So you need to get all these things. As I said, you need to get some tools. You need to get some cables. All these things are needed, but I think those who are learning at home are not going to find it easy to get all this stuff, so they will try to get. But the first thing that you need to know, that you need to get a computer. The computer you need to get your PC or your laptop. That one is key. If you don't have the computer, please, I'm sorry, you can't study, you can't follow me, you will get lost. Because there are going to be sometimes you are going to do demos, you are going to do demonstrations, and you need to get your computers working. And as we carry on, we are going to work in visualizations and stuff like that. So it's very important that you get your computer ready. So that is the requirement for the course. Now let me move on straight to the next one. As I said, my name is Kenneth Hack. So let me talk about the course objectives. Now, with this course, this is what we seek to achieve after the course. It's very important. Anything that you do in life, you have a goal set. That is it. You have a goal set. You want to achieve something. That is why you are doing it. So in this course, we also want to achieve something. You want to achieve something. That is the reason why you are learning. So these are the things that we want to achieve. These are the things that at the end of the whole tutorial, we want those who are learning with us to achieve. So the first thing that we want to achieve will appear on your screen. So in the first statement, I said, in this course, you will describe the major networking technology, system skills, and tools in use in modern networks. That's one thing you need to know. So these are the things that after the course you need to learn. You will get to know. You will be able to identify the basic network theory concept. That is one. You will also be able to identify the major network communication methods, describe network media and hardware components, being able to identify the major types of network implementations, identify the components of a TCP/IP network implementations. You will also be able to identify the TCP/IP addressing and data delivery methods, identify the major services deployed on TCP/IP networks, identify the components of a LAN, that is the local area network implementation, identify the infrastructure of a WAN, that is the wide area network implementation, remote network implementation. You'll be able to identify it, identify major issues and methods to secure systems on network, identify the issue and technologies in network security. So key, identify network security threats and attacks, identify the tools, methods, and techniques used in managing a network, describe troubleshooting of issue on a network. So far, that is what we are going to talk about. So you will be able after the course, you will be able to do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, about 15 things. And if you are able to do all these things, hooray, you're a network engineer. You can go and sit for the certification, you write it, and then you get a certificate, then you move on. As I said, it's key. There's one thing I need to throw out. I'm throwing a caution. N10005 or N10006 is good, but I would advise anyone who wants to practice networking, who want to learn networking, that with this knowledge, I'll prefer and I will love you switch to Cisco CCNA. It's really good. Take note of that. This is a free advice. So thanks for watching. It's Kenneth here. I've taken 5 minutes of your time. It's good. It's Kenneth here, and see you same time next time. I was about to say same time next week, but that's not the case. Same time next time. Meet me here on my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe, and please, when you say a prayer, say one for me and say one for my team. Thanks. Stay blessed. Peace. Shalom. Bye bye.